Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
डिजिटल लर्निंगाक भुरगे वाजवचे ना अशे तरेन आकर्षक मॉडेल तयार केला.
Here we have tried to differentiate between the schooling and the actual learning. Instead of just bombarding the students with digital lesson chapter wise or unit wise or topic wise, we thought of compiling the lesson. We thought of bringing together the concepts that are interrelated to different classes and prepare digital modules instead of digital chapters. So digital modules will make the learning interested. The teachers have used a lot of teaching learning aids. They have used a practical example. They have used different visuals which they see in their day-to-day life. So digital content was prepared by the respective subject and digital content was prepared subject-wise rather than class-wise.
ज्याचे कडेन एंड्रॉयड फोन ना, इंटरनेट ना, ताका गॅजेट्सांचो आदार दिवन ताचे मेरेनूय डिजिटल लर्निंग पावोवपाचो प्लान.
Now what about the remaining 23% of the parents or the students who do not possess Android mobile phones with internet connectivity? Here we have strengthened our SMCs, strengthened our community elements. We have taken help of our school management committee members and the community elements like village panchayat, the village library and even the ex-students of our schools. So they will be providing support system to these 23% of the students.
प्रुडंटा खातीर मयूर नायक.